How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King. I wanted to hurry up and get on a video about VHAI. It's dumping right now. It's down 21%. I just want to talk about this. I don't know if I see any news right now, symbol news. I'm not seeing anything. Why? It's just dumped 21%, right? Welcome to pennies, right? It's crazy world, right? But let me show you the chart of why you would have got out, though, because I'm suggesting, this is just algos doing their thing. It's going to be a new low. They will have the reverse split, just like we've seen GWAB, Barnes & Noble. But as you can know, if you guys know my system, you guys know you don't have to wait for me. We always get out at the EMA 20, which is this blue band here. EMA 20, down. EMA 20, down. EMA 20, down. The pattern is there. Can it go up? Absolutely. Can it go a slightly higher from EMA 20, go all the way up here? Yes. But it just comes to risk versus reward. The algos knew they wanted to take it here, and then they plummeted it down. It's down 20%. Could you get a nice bounce from this? Absolutely. I would probably use the 5-minute chart. As you can see right here, we're trying to bounce from the 5-minute chart at the lower band. I'm not seeing any news why this is dropping, after hours. Maybe they are about to release a reverse split. Who knows? But yes, you could get a bounce, and a reversion to the mean is intraday time frame. It's going to happen fast. We know we're going to hit the EMA 5 fast here, but it could go lower, so it's a little more risky. I like to base my trades based on the daily first. I will say, right now we're at a price of 10 cents. About 11 cents. So we do know the very low is 10.10. I do think we are going to break that low. I just have a very good feeling about it. And basically what you want to do is you just want to make sure you wait for the next day to see where is our moving averages at, or exponential moving averages, which you guys know I trade a lot based on that. Where's our EMA 5? Are we going to be under that? And then and all of that. So yeah, this purple is your EMA 5, the yellow is your EMA 20, 10, and then the blue is your EMA 20. The blue is where the algos have to take it. Anywhere you see in price history, algos will take it, and that's where you get the biggest moves. A lot of people will be like, wow, I missed that move, and it went up so much. A lot of the times, I don't really care because, you know, it's like 7 times out of 10, a lot of the times you're going to see it just go straight flip-flop, especially with downtrend stocks. Look at this big, massive downtrend, and I know a lot of people were getting in well before this entry point. As you can see, it was $5.88 at the high, and I'm pretty sure it dropped, and a lot of people were getting into it, and it just kept dropping and dropping and dropping. This is an AI stock, so a lot of people are very hyped about it. If we look at the profile here, it's a software and IT service industry, artificial intelligence AI software company. So a lot of people are wanting it. AI's the future, right? And it's based in United States, Boca Raton, Florida, wherever that is. But you can see right here and everything. So yes, I can see why it's catching attention, but it's a penny stock, and so we have to treat it like a penny stock. These are pumps and dumps, reverse splits, back to pumps and dumps. It just happens all the time. Can this have a future? Some pennies do have a future, but they're very, very rare. So how do we trade it? We base it on the system. There's no bias in Notion. We base it on, where does price go? EMA 20. And where does it go down to? Below the EMA 5. Look for the entries, back to EMA 20. Below EMA 5 for entries, back to EMA 20. What I like to see is I like to look at the KDJ. Anything under 10 on the KDJ is extremely oversold. As you can see right on this candle right here, we had a very low KDJ. If you look, if you guys don't know, that's my stochastic oscillator over here. You can get your chart to look like mine if you want to join my premium Discord. It's only $6 a month. Links down below. But it's 7.52 right here, so it more likely than not, it needed a correction, and we could get that nice correction, and it was just a beautiful double bottom right here. You could have your risk versus reward just under if you wanted to. A lot of times they do break, but it was just like a very good risk versus reward scenario. And then for a bounce up to that EMA 5, 10, and 20, and that's what we got. It was a very nice move up, and it went way up to the 15 cents to a low of about 10 cents, right? So very, very good gain if you played it correctly. But a lot of people, unfortunately, do chase these when they start running. They start running, and then they start chasing it. We are down 20% after hours. It looks like we are trying to have that bounce at the lower band. I'm not seeing any news. Correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe Weeble's a little slow. Yeah, it's just that's crazy, right? But yeah, you will see that a lot based on the EMA 20. The algos take it where they want to, and that's unfortunate. So this is my trade on VH, my intake on VHAI. If you guys have this system, you guys do know, and if you're watching my Discord, always take your trades. A couple candles below the EMA 5. This was actually not a bad one. We had nice time distance right in here. Right in here, if I wasn't in some other trades, I'd probably take a stab here. You have one, two, three, three candles here. I do like five, but with this daily bottom, double bottom bounce here, it's not a bad trade to take a risk to that EMA 20. Did I think it would go to the EMA 20? No, I probably would have took conservative gains, but besides the fact, a gain is a gain, and that's just how you have to look at it. So, yep, we're bouncing here the 5 minute. What I suspect is we'll hit this EMA 5 very shortly, which is right here, the purple, and then maybe hit down to a lower low. We'll see. But that's my prediction. I do think we'll break this new all-time low just based on seeing this movement here. We hit the EMA 20 quite sometimes, and now we're going to go down under. Hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. This is VHAI. It's they had the keywords AI in them, so a lot of people are in analyzing it. They had 136 million volume today. That is massive volume. The biggest spike they had was 193, so the volume was definitely there and everything. If you guys like this video, also if you want to join the premium Discord, it's only $6 a month or 20 cents a day. I would love for you guys to see why we do the reversion of the mean because of scenarios like this. I just don't like risking it. Could it go absolutely up and up and up and up to this upper band? Yeah, absolutely can. I've seen plenty of stocks do it. But then I'm going to short it if it does go up here to the upper band, and I will look for a reversion to the EMA 5, which is down here. There's both ways to play the side of the coin. It's just, where is your risk versus reward? That's the only thing you can control in the market, is risk versus reward and the probabilities. There's no system that's 100% that's going to tell you this is what you should do, and you're going to make gains no matter what on this. There's no system that will tell you this, that equals that. It's probabilities. We're playing in a giant casino, but the only difference is with trading, you can have a system that has an edge over a lot of other people. A lot of other people are like sheep. They look for pumpers on Twitter and they follow the herd. And yes, you can make some good money doing that, but you got to realize the rug gets pulled, somebody takes profit, and everyone else follows. When someone takes profit, it's a big, fat candle down because the down moves are bigger than the up moves, right? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. If you want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below into the YouTube comments. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll be pinned. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is read how to subscribe, and then also read my void scammers. I will never message you or DM you first, and then hit premium chat under the subscriptions tab. And when you do that, it will ask you to subscribe for only $6 a month, guys. I'm telling you, it might seem too good to be true, but I had a lot of people saying we could definitely offer more, and there's a lot of people just don't have a lot of money or accounts, and I get so many DMs saying, I appreciate for what you do, that you do not overcharge and you don't take advantage of your subscribers. We have over 3,000 members, close to 4,000 coming in that have joined in just a short amount of time, because I really think anybody could do this strategy. It's not really hard to learn. It's very easy to pick up. It doesn't take a lot of training, and it works. I always think trading should be simple. It should not be extremely confusing. It should be based on, a simple strategy that the probabilities work more than you failing, and that's why I like bottom reversals, because you can accumulate properly. You accumulate the dips and you sell the rips. This is a rip that you would have sold, and that's it. You accumulate the dips, sell the rips, and I have a nice reversal accumulation strategy on how to properly accumulate, that if a price does go severely against you, you will be totally fine. So what you're going to get is yeah, do subscribe on computer, because you will be charged an iOS fee if you do it on your phone. It'll be like $1 or $2 or more, but it's only $6 on your computer. What you want to do is click on RTK Swing Trades. You'll get my alerts that are sent straight to your phone with my entries and exits, and you can see exactly how I do this. I will even say you what order I'm doing it in and why and all that. Education videos, how to properly accumulate my reversals, my indicating strategy, in-depth video, so please watch those videos. And then the RTK journal is one of the most unique things. It's full transparency, my wins and losses, and my averages on each stock I have. So you never have to ask what stocks I'm in. You can just look at right there. Do keep in mind I am only alerting bottom reversal plays. So if a stock does run up, I'm only going to alert plays that honestly admit to the system the best. Like right down in here, I was calling it in my Discord. I really like VHAI. Because we have massive room to the EMA 10, we have massive room to the EMA 5 here for a conservative target if we just need to get out. And as you can see, we hit the 10 and the 20, and we just keep rinsing and repeating it. This right here is where I did tell my Discord members this is the bottom reversal play, because if you look at the time distance from the EMA 10. We didn't hit EMA 10 all the way from 326, and then we retouched it way back in here to a T. Only algos can do it this precisely. Was 514, 326, 426. Like it had to do it. You know, you are going to hit the EMA 10. Any chart you look at, it's going to hit it. So what I was kept doing it is you can keep rinsing and repeating on some of the stubborn stocks. Like you get well below the EMA 5, rinse, repeat. Get well below, rinse, repeat. You're always going to hit this EMA 5, and this is where I kind of saw the bottoming effect happening. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, give it a like. It does help a lot if you take that extra time and like the video, subscribe, and even comment. I really appreciate all your comments and reading them. It means a lot to me. And yeah, I'll be in the Discord. You guys know where to find me. It's only $6, and hope to see you guys there. Thank you so much, guys, and peace out.